You will love the features of this 2020 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. With less than 25,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Stay connected on the worksite in the full-size Silverado 1500 pickup. Its smooth, agile ride keeps you comfortable, while its rugged strength gets the job done. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, electronic stability control, trip computer, four-wheel disc brakes, power door locks, power steering. Feel prepared for the challenge in the Silverado 1500. Get behind the wheel for a test drive.